most beautiful birds would fly around and land near me and gaze into my eyes.
This is the closest I'm ever getting to a moose, far away and high. This owl is so important because it happened during a moment in my life where I needed clarity and confirmation. I had just gotten off of work in Salt Lake City. It was 5:55 in the morning. I was meditating, and when I opened my eyes, an owl was looking at me.